Yeah, big mistake tanks. So yeah, see that? This is the one I've disconnected. I've disconnected from here as well. So I think maybe it's, I'm not sure, maybe it's the fuel feed one. I think it's the fuel feed line. It feeds into this filter, and then it gets pushed out on the other side of the filter. There's another sort of that on the other side, which goes to another. So here we are, currently busy with the upgrades. This is the part. As you can see, I've removed that. I've brought it on here. Just to show you like that. Then now we're gonna put another one in there. We need that, but we are upgrading that. Now we are using this one. Got this from Adendorf. Yeah. So we'll use this one instead of this plastic one. Hopefully this one will last just a bit longer. Let's get it. And then yeah, we're just gonna, here's the new, here's the new fuel line, specifically for the fuel. It's a fuel hose, as you can see there, specifically for, same here. I've got another one in there with clamps. So we're just gonna remodel all of these pipes and put in new ones. The ones that are fine, maybe I'll let them be, but the main thing is to sort them all out and have new pipes for our fuel lines. So yeah, home DIY garage, let's get it. And one other thing to make this easier, you need silicone spray to feed these things to these joints to the pipes, because or else they won't go in smoothly. So silicone spray helps with that. Very good on it. Yeah, so we're almost done with it. Blah, blah, blah. That's the old one. That's the old one. See, I think our culprit was here. The clamp was broken, so it seemed to be leaking here. And I had fixed this one because you see the clamp was also broken on that side. So I figured, nah, let's do this the right way. New pipes. We're doing it the right way. And those are fuel rated pipes. I've already removed this that goes to that end. Removed it from this side. So yeah, that should be, with that one done, then maybe we can look into the other ones. Get in. Yeah, new fuel lines. New refurbished fuel lines. New clamps, new everything. This is it. Everything renewed. And the brass tee right there to make a stronger joint compared to the plastics. Goodbye to P0087. Sayonara. So now we're just gonna feed them from the top. As you can see right there, gonna feed them all through there. this one goes there. It's gonna connect to that one, and now we can send this one second. Also to the bottom. Then it will sit and connect to this one. It'll connect to that one there on top, like that. Just need a clamp for that, but we do have some clamps, so yeah, that one goes there. It's just there. Let's put it like that. And then this one, here's the one. So goes down there. This one is the one that sends through fuel. Like that. This is the one that brings in the fuel. There's the one into that. It brings the fuel into that. And then this one receives return fuel also, which is then pressurized again in here. And then that one, this one, the one at the back takes fuel, returns it back to the filter through this one, and then it sends it back up through this. This one's right here. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna fit that, then we'll be back. We're gonna start the car. Hopefully it works. So as you can see, this is how they are connected. That one, and that one. They are connected like that. Top one there, the bottom one somewhere there or there. Don't matter, but there and there. See? Connected. So they sit, and then this one is connected right there. So we're gonna clamp this, and then we're going underneath. Just have 1%. So we're gonna fit the filter here at the wires. They've been connected from the top. Now they're here. So yeah, we're just gonna connect those, and that, and that to this, and then we should be done. I don't have advice. Look at that, ripped apart because it was giving faults. There's an overhaul of the fuel system, and you know what we did with the pipes. We also changed that one. As you can see there, it's newer, 2024. The previous one I think was 2013. So yeah, I think you need to change both. That one solves idling issues. If your car is hunting, idling, after you've driven a lot, high-spirited driving, and then you get to a standstill and then it starts vibrating, this is your culprit. And this one, it's responsible for the bounce that we've been seeing on the OBD2 scanner. So yeah, change that one first, and then I still got the bounce. This solves the bounce. So now I've solved the pressure, the bounce, and the vibration. And also there was a leak underneath, and I overhauled the pipes. So yeah, fuel system overhaul, Baba, home DIY garage. Yeah, so this one broke off while we were trying to use this. Now we've recruited this bra and this one to try and remove that. God damn. And I've got to use this car tomorrow. Used cars. Wow. It's out.